Hi, my name is Victor Johansson and I work as a software tester. Mobile testing is something that is hot, something that is up and coming, and the market fragmentation for both operating systems and device types continues to challenge us as testers, but also developers, of course. Now, the number of devices are increasing all the time, and I believe it's pretty much impossible to test everything. Also, the monkey regression testing takes a whole lot of time. What can we do about that? How can we deal with that? I think the answer could be test automation for mobile devices and mobile apps. There are quite a few tools out there on the market now. Many of them are in beta stage because it's still so fresh. But just to name a few, we have Perfecto Mobile from HP. We have Device Anywhere, Keynote Device Anywhere. We have Swasta Cloud Test, Eggplant, App2Hack, Ranrex. We have solution from Source Labs. We have Calabash as well, amongst a flow of others. But what I'd like to show you today is a pretty neat solution from a Finnish company, actually, called Bitbar. The name of the solution is Testdroid. And it sounds like it would be completely for Android, but the fact is that they also have an iOS version. And it supports both native app testing and web testing for mobile devices. And Bitbar also have a sort of a public cloud, open clouds on which you can run your scripts. I think they have about over 200 different devices in the cloud at the moment, and the number is increasing all the time. Another pretty cool feature is that you can host your own cloud, and you will either need a Mac for that or a Ubuntu machine. The benefit with running the server on a Mac is that you will be able to run script on both the iOS and Android platform. So if you run the Ubuntu distribution, you will only be able to run scripts for Android. Well, let's get started now. In this first demo, I would like to show you how to download the dev environment, how to set up the Testdroid recorder plugin for Eclipse, and how to record and play back a test script on a responsive website. I will use my own blog for that. Okay, so first let's open an instance of a web browser and type in developer.android.com/SDK and download the SDK. I use the 64-bit version of Windows 7. Okay, and now we want to extract this. I want to extract it to the C colon. And I would like to rename this to Eclipse with Testdroid. Let's jump straight into these folders and start an instance of Eclipse. So they have a sort of a new logo here with brackets and everything. Pretty cool. Okay, I want to make a new workspace. I would like to call it Testdroid Workspace. Yep. Okay, so here's a welcome message. Let's close that and go to help and install new software. Here we would like to point out the Testdroid recorder plugin. We have to set the location testdroid.com/updates. And then we tick OK. Let's tick that and tick that and Wait a second, we need to untick that. Next. Okay. We need to restart it, the ADT bundle. Okay, so let's maximize and start a new project. We would like to go to others, and here we have a new folder called Testdroid. We'd like to take the web test. Here you have to dial in your credentials for the Testdroid cloud. You can create a username or an account at testdroid.com, and you will go through the verification process with the email and everything. After that, you can use it here. Okay, so which site do we want to test? We want to test the rollingtester.com. It's my blog, and I would like to rename this test package. I would like to rename it to Rolling Testers Tests. Okay, so here's the recorder screen. Well, first I need to plug in the device. It's an Xperia array. Now it's plugged. And I would like to start to record on that device. So I'll start the recording here. You can see the console, what is happening. So we are installing the APK files and everything. Do you want to activate this logcat monitor? Of course I want to do that. Okay, so here we have, let's see, yeah, here we have my website, and you can follow the process here, as well as implement a few commands. I want to take a screenshot on the first screen, and I would like to record a simple swipe. Now you can see that the X and Y coordinates is being displayed in the script. Let's take another screenshot, and I would like to change the orientation. You can do that here as amongst other pretty neat commands. I want to change this to landscape mode, I think. Yeah, that would be cool. Then I want to take another screenshot on the landscape mode, and I think I'm done. Okay, stop. Generate. Okay, so now we have generated a Robotium test script here. I want to change the sleep times. I want to decrease it a bit so that we will not have to wait so long for the test run to be completed. 2 seconds is good. Okay, now we want to run this. So right click on the package and run as Android JUnit. Now let's see what happens. I'll check the console here. We can follow the process once again. Okay, so we are running. Let's check the physical device here. It takes some time for it to run. Okay, now it's starting. Yeah, you can see my blog here and my really scratchy display. Okay, so there we have the swipe, and there we have the orientation change, landscape mode, and yeah, that's about it. A real short test run, and it's green light. Good. Yeah, so I think we're done. That was just a quick tutorial on how to set up the Eclipse dev environment and the Testdroid recorder plugin. If you're a tester or just interested in mobile testing, feel free to contact me at victorjohansson1989@gmail.com. I love to discuss anything regarding mobile testing. Until then, take care and have a nice day.